chicken. Quack!
So we're here at the BrickCon, and not only are we fighting robots, one of our big goals is we want to actually have Skorpios fight Sawblaze to get some practice, but I've got two other goals we're trying to meet. One, I brought some Lego Imtron stuff I made during the pandemic. I want to see if I can sneak it onto one of the space displays.
Ooh.
And the other thing is there's a Lego set I wanted as a kid and never got, and I'm going to see if they sell it here.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Last week's giveaway winner is Brent Chrome. Congratulations. You seem to have learned the most from old bots. This week's giveaway for a BattleBricks sticker pack with some Lego stickers and BattleBot stickers in it is going to be, what kind of battle robot would you make out of Legos? You shall not pass!
Gandalf!
Diana, that's taller than you by a very large margin.
Yeah.
Granted, most things are taller than you.
I was gonna say, I set the bar pretty low for that.
So this is the BrickCon in Seattle, and everything you see is made out of Legos. The BattleBots are made out of Legos. Those swords are made out of Legos. This holographic painting is made out of Legos. If you can dream it, you can make it. And one of the things I love most about Legos is how they can literally create anything. And the BattleBot Lego fans have done something super special. They've started recreating old BattleBots. So you can actually have fantasy matches that never happened, like Bite Force versus Son of Whyachi. And now we get to see them, at least in Lego form. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this battle.
3, 2, 1, fight! First contact, second contact, parts flying. Oh, more parts flying. Oh, that's a little bit of damage there to on Bite Force. It seems to be mostly cosmetic. So, more pieces. Now we're kind of running out of bits to ooze off a Bite Force before it'll be something important. Son of Whyachi's trying to spin up again. Bite Force has got it. Oh, Bite Force went in there for some bites. We have no weapon action here. Oh!
Yes, that's how we do it, Bite Force.
That would be.
We're the same by the belly,
So, that was an incredible fight. How are you going to be able to get it back together?
Yeah, there's still some bits in the battle box. That was exactly the game plan. Use the back end to kill the weapon. And once he was starting to slow down, turn around and bring the heat with my weapon. And that's exactly what happened. I managed to catch the end of it in one of his triangles. There's another piece. And popped his whole weapon right off. And then that was the beginning of the end. Then it was a push bot. And I managed to get one nice other hit in there and even disable the chassis. So that was really sweet. Perfect game plan, executed. We carry on.
Well, I'm really impressed. You not only have the forks, but you also have this big horizontal plow. You've really recreated everything of this master bot.
One of my favorites. Bite Force for the win.
So I love your shirt.
I love it too.
I'm kind of nerding out here. I have this giant Imtron display at my house.
Nice.
I don't think anyone on the channel has seen yet. But I brought two of my little robots, and I've been trying to find someone with a classic space display.
Well, guess what? I have one. Woo!
Okay, can we go at them?
They shout, certainly can.
Yes.
Come on, guys. Your moment has arrived. I like how you integrated the original set, but like you built onto
And that's the reason why it's so great landscaping, because it matches the printing on the faceplate very well.
And that monorail is epic.
Just slow down a little. Don't need it that much.
All right. So where would we put them? Where do you think?
I think we should put one inside here. The other one. They're just climbing and looking at the monorail train.
So how long did it take you to build all this? This thing seems huge and elaborate.
It took a few months of on and off building. But there's definitely like just a few weeks ago of like a week straight of just gotta get it done, gotta get it done.
Wow.
So yeah, so
You even have bathrooms inside of
Yes,
this thing.
The space place left a gift.
Oh my god. Now that's detail. Wow.
Just a little snack bar for going on upstairs.
But how do they eat through the helmets? There's the real question.
Well, they're inside, so they can take the helmets off.
Oh, there we go.
Even though there's no airlock.
So what makes these Lego BattleBots possible is this control brick. It's actually not made by Legos, it's a third-party company. But they work with all Lego motors, but they also make this motor. There was one super powerful Lego motor made 15 years ago for a limited RC line. It got discontinued, so this company makes a replica of it. And this is what gives the robots the speed and power. And it hooks up to a phone, to a game controller. So you get actual responsive robots, which is just amazing. So there's 24 robots at this tournament, but not enough drivers. Some people who couldn't attend due to expensive airfare decided to ship their robot to compete, and they needed additional drivers. So Diana and I each got to drive 2 robots. I went ahead and took Skorpios and Copperhead, and I'm going to get to drive both in tonight's fight night. Diana took Sawblaze, our brother in Saw, and Duck. If we win enough matches today, we will make it to the final tournament tomorrow of 16. Wish us luck!
What do you think, Zach?
I think I had a lot of practice with Ice Wave. I'm ready. Wow. Just look at that. And there used to be a weapon up there. It treads here. There's a big hole here. Well, Diana and I totally did it. We managed to get all 4 of our robots into the final 16. I went 3-0 with Skorpios, earning the 3rd seat. Diana went 1-2 with Sawblaze, getting herself the 14th seat. And we got Duck and Copperhead both in with a 2-1 record. This has been so much fun, and I can't believe we have 4 robots in the final 16. We are going to make a special part 2 episode dropping this Saturday on the Skorpios Builder blog. Please like and subscribe so you do not miss it. Saturday, 8 a.m. See us fight for the giant Lego bushing and to see if we become Lego Warriors of Hall of Fame.
Spaceship! 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 It's Legos! Lego spaceship!